Hello, Tomlin from Tomlin Harmonica School here. If you're thinking about learning to play harmonica, you need to watch this video. I've been playing for nearly 20 years, and I've been playing and teaching professionally for the last 15 years.
And hopefully you'll hear a little bit how that sounds in the context of the blues.
Oof, I used to have a lot more hair back then. I think everyone should learn harmonica, but there is some stuff you should know first so that you can go into the situation with your eyes open. First of all, learning harmonica is like having a kid or getting a dog. What do I mean? Well, if you're asking someone else whether you should have a kid or get a dog, you probably shouldn't. The same applies to harmonica. People who want to play harmonica, play harmonica.
Quiet, musical hog, knock it off.
Next, don't be fooled by its size. Harmonica is difficult to play just like any other musical instrument. In some ways, harmonica is the easiest instrument to learn for the following reasons. It is easy and cheap to get a professional level instrument to learn on, around $50. Try getting a decent quality piano, guitar, or saxophone for that. There is so much great educational material available today, so you're never going to struggle knowing what you need to work on. And unlike so many other instruments, you can put it in your pocket and carry it wherever you go, so that you are more likely to practice and therefore more likely to keep doing it. But in other ways, it is super hard.
Generally speaking, instruments are very slightly easier than they look, with the exception of the harmonica.
Just playing a single note on the thing is difficult. Most people struggle with that for ages, whereas playing a C note on a piano is comically easy. Then trying to play a C major scale across the whole range. Easy on other instruments, virtually impossible for most people. Most of the important stuff happens inside your mouth, so a teacher can't show you what they're doing and they can't see what you are doing to correct it. As with all musical instruments, you have to learn to love the practice, because it's the only way you're going to commit to putting in the necessary time to get anywhere with it. Next, when people find out that you play harmonica, be prepared for this question. Oh, what else do you play? Even though harmonica is really, really hard to play and you've spent your 10,000 hours getting good, people still won't take it seriously. So you are only doing it for yourself and maybe other harmonica players. Along the journey of learning harmonica, you are going to hear some great sounding players and you are going to think that you need to buy the same instrument, microphone, amplifier as they have. If you do, you will quickly discover that you don't sound like them. Unfortunately, you cannot buy your way to good tone. Good tone comes from good playing technique, which comes from practice. I can't tell you how long it'll take. I get emails all the time from people asking, how long will it take to get good at harmonica? And I really wish I could give them an answer, but how long is a piece of string? Some people get good really quickly. We don't like those people. And some people never get good, but they love it anyway. All I can tell you is the 3 things you need to get good. A curriculum to follow. Jumping around from random lesson to random lesson doesn't lead to consistent progress, but it is fun. A mentor. Learning harmonica can be lonely and frustrating, but having someone who is ahead of you can help to smooth out the bumps in the road. Accountability to practice.
You gonna play it?
If you don't keep practicing, then you won't get better, and having something or someone to hold you accountable is essential. Shameless plug time. You can find all of these things at my harmonica school, which you can try for free with a 14-day trial by clicking on the link in the description below. You can also find them with a number of other great teachers and schools, so I recommend that you pick the teacher that you feel the most connection with and work with them for at least 6 months to get a good foundation on the instrument. I hope I haven't put you off learning harmonica. If you want more harmonica content, please subscribe to the channel. I've got hundreds of lessons up for you. Thank you so much for watching. Happy harping.